YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Happy Names. Now if you're looking for a channel that talks about life, fashion, I also do reactions and reviews, then just hit the subscribe button right down below. What are you waiting on? Now let's get into it. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing slash review. Not really an unboxing, I had these shoes for a few months now, and they're the Yezzy Wave Runners. So let's get right into it. Now, as you guys know, I always say I never pay retail for anything, but these shoes, unfortunately, I had to pay retail for because it's kind of hard to find them on sale. It's probably impossible to find them on sale. So yeah, it's the Yeezy Bose 700, the Wave Runners, and I got them in. Now, I originally wanted the static color, but those, I didn't get a chance to get them when it did release on the Yeezy store website, and then the resale price were like $600, and I'm like, oh no, way too much, not doing it. So I just settled for these, but they have become my go-to sneakers, and they're very comfortable. Now, this is like a, you know, they have mesh like here. This is like a chocolate, purplish, nudish color. It's a nice color. It's a nice like gray brown color. It was good for the fall, and I love like the neon right here. I love the leather accents. I love the suede. I love the bottom, and it's so comfortable, guys. Like, they're very comfortable. As you may know, a lot of people own Yeezys. A lot of people know that these shoes are very comfortable. And you know, it has like the Yeezy inside, Yeezy, and I like, this is like a foam. It feels like a memory foam heel bottom, and it's very thick, so I feel like that's why it's so comfortable. But it's definitely like a foam bottom, and they're so comfortable, guys. They're very comfortable. And I'm gonna do like a quick on feet review just to show you how it looks on the feet. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have a quick on feet review. This is it on the side. So comfortable, very comfortable shoe. I love it. I'm just wearing it with some joggers right now. You could run in it. I've honestly worked out in them. You could run in them, you could work out in them. You could do so much in these shoes. This is it on the side. Very comfortable. Does have a thick sole. That's one thing I would say, but it adds to the comfort. And that's about it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will be back with some more fashion videos, some more all kinds. Well, you know, of course this is going to be added to the fashion playlist, and spring is coming up, so I'm going to do like a spring, I don't know if it would necessarily be like a spring lookbook, but I might do like a spring lookbook where I do like 3 outfits and like things that, you know, you want to keep in your wardrobe for spring. Don't want to talk too much about that, but yes, a spring lookbook will be coming next, because, you know, spring is on the way. And like, comment, and subscribe like I said before, and I will see you next time, guys. Peace out.